Motorcycle Rosso.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got this lovely Moto Guzzi V7 Stone of 2022. And what about it? Is it a good bike? It's a Moto Guzzi. If it's not a good bike, why is not existing? This is the simplicity on a motorcycle. That's why it's a good bike. Simplicity. It's a beautiful bike. Depends from you, because this is a classic category with too many motorcycles on it. Expensive, cheaper, from China, from India, from Japan. W800 from Kawasaki, we got Royal Enfield, we got of course Triumph, and we got many Chinese and other brands that they try to do something classic, BMW, many. It's a hard category anyway, but this is a typical choice in this category, because Moto Guzzi is a very old and important brand with a fanatic people.
Okay, I feel very comfortable, everything is in a correct position, the weather is not the best possible those days, and let's hear the engine. Yes, nice sound, and the gearbox, nice. Let's go now with this Italian lady, and the first thing that we can do is to change some direction. Okay, we can do it easily, and now let's go to the brakes, that they are very fast inside the city. Now the ABS is much better than the city. The power, it's okay. Anyway, it's a twin Italian Hercule engine.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we got in this motorcycle? First of all, what we don't have? We don't have a windscreen. This windscreen is by the owner. So it's good if you will try to buy this motorcycle, to buy also a windscreen. That helps a lot in a naked motorcycles. Now, what else we got? I will tell you from the start what I love. We don't have a see-through tank for the brakes. So both of the tank of the brakes, as you can see, they are from aluminium, metal. It's okay, not see-through, not transparent, nicely. And take a look, this is lovely, really lovely. We have these covers here on the ejection. We got a digital screen that it's okay with the character of the motorcycle. Of course, we have LED lights everywhere, front, back, flash lights everywhere. I have to tell you that this is the V7 Stone, and we have a side stand. We don't have a central stand. We got, of course, rubber in our steppers, and very good steppers also for the second rider. We have a shaft. We have those lovely adjusters, fat, big and strong, for two riders. And what else? Let's going up to the bike. Okay. Do I feel comfortable? What a lovely feeling in the pump. Do I feel comfortable? Of course I feel comfortable. Everything is in the right corner. It's nicely. Of course I have this moving with engine, you know. I have the stand. You see. But this happened to the BMW and with a Boxer and to Moto Guzzi. Nice, I feel so nice. I don't feel hot from the engine. It's nice. Those are extra by the owner. Of course, this is also extra by the owner. And the saddle is very comfortable. And now we will see with Georgia. Georgia!
Ha! Oriste! You can see here. Very nice saddle. Ah! Royal.
How do you feel, my royal wife?
Exactly, royal.
Nicely.
Royalty.
So we have position for both of the riders that it's okay. Now I will tell you, of course, we don't speak for the mirrors. Those mirrors are choice of the owner, is not the original one, and you don't see so many things back of you, but they are good looking. Better to keep the standard mirrors. I will tell you what was going on. Then I was going up to this bike. I'm going up to the bike. I open the ignition, I put here the button to the start, and then I start to press, and then I was starting to do like this, what I have to put to start the bike. And the point was that this is the button of the mode, and they have put it in the position of the button of the starter, that the starter is exactly from down of it. Beep, beep, that's it. Okay. We started. Hollywood, Mussolini, RPM counter, kilometer counter, gear on the box, Roman Ingle, and here we got everything that we control it with our right hand. You see, menu, everything, trip 1, A2, time, average consumption, many things. And finally the fuels is just show you how many kilometers you have till the end of your tank, but this is happen only at the last 4 or 5 liters. Now we are going to the traction control. Now we have to start the bike. We have traction control 2 and 1. The 2 is not let you do nothing. The 1 you understand it only inside the dirt, but you can disconnect it by pressing the starter button. You see, that's it. That is existing also on your right hand. That's it. Engine, typical, is V7, but is not 700 cubics. It's got no 7 cylinder, it's got no 7 valves, it's just 853 cubics. Transversal, 90 degrees, and typical 4-stroke Moto Guzzi engine that give us 65 horses at 6,800 RPM and 73 Nm at 5,000 RPM. Is this engine good enough for this bike? Yes, it's good enough for this bike and it's lovely. We have 6-speed and we got almost 5 liters of gasoline per 100 kilometers on the street, consumption I mean. What about it? Take a look. It's lovely. Take a look how nice is made here the back fork, and take a look something important. You see the side stand is hidden here, and the time that you try to take it out, you hit here with your shoes. But doesn't matter, because that's why they have put this cover, so you are not gonna believe the plastic of your shoes in the exhaust. The exhaust is so beautiful that it reminds me the old Conio or Lafraconio, this kind of old exhaust from Italy. They got here the cover for the injection. Here you got the eye for the oil, and anyway the engine is good and the construction is perfect. what we got here? We're starting with this Brembo disc with 4-piston caliber. We got back another disc with a 2-piston caliber. The brakes are enough for the character of this motorcycle that it's a cool bike. We got this fender with a small angle of the Moto Guzzi on it here. We got the bridge here. The fork it's not fat enough. I think that it's better in the next model to put something more strong as a fork. The lights are typical as the last year for Moto Guzzi with an angle. Very good looking lights. This is not from Guzzi, this is an extra. And everything on the bike it's a LED. And let's see now the horn now. Must be somewhere here. I press everything till I will find it. Christos. So the horn is here. This is close on my ear. And what I see the two cylinders also of the engine, that they got enough space to take as more air they want from the street. And the frame very well welded, metal made, nice. Everything is good here. Quality. What is the quality that we got in this motorcycle? What can I say? This is a perfect quality bike. Perfect. Perfect. Of course it's the Baxter on it, but it's I can describe you. Take a look at those adjusters, how fat and powerful are. Take a look how they have made here the steppers and the gear lever, the covers here for the injection, the quality of the material, the plastic. Take a look, the quality of the plastic. Even if I will bring a hammer now and hit it, it's not going to broken. It's so soft. Take a look, so soft. It's not possible to bring you here inside the screen and see this quality, but the quality of this motorcycle is perfect. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, am I positive? Of course I'm positive. This is a Moto Guzzi V7, a bike that is existing so many years. It's not accidentally existing. It's existing because it's worth it. And Piaggio continues to make new models of V7 because they got friends. There is a favor bike for the Guzzisti for everyday use. So this is a bike that you can make a trip, of course, not the round of the world, but you can go 400, 500 kilometers with one or two persons. You can move daily inside the city. You feel safe. The 2-channel ABS, it's okay. Of course, the power of the engine is not burning the street, but it's enough for this motorcycle, and for sure it's very beautiful motorcycle, especially as the owner got this motorcycle. If you leave it outside of the coffee shop and you can sit down of the sun, not today, that's December, let's think something like a July in Greta. You are outside of the coffee shop and you are taking your coffee, frappe, and you see your bike opposite of you. Lovely. Georgia, please come. What is your opinion, Georgia?
Well, I thought I was riding a BMW engine, but it looks like it. Other than this, it looks very...
Georgia means
very,
because it's moving like this.
Yes, because it's moving like this. Also, it's very big, the quality of everything here. When you are riding it, has a great experience. I liked it very much. It's like a limousine. Okay, αυτά.
Μπροστά στη θάλα πέρασε ένα μικρό παπάκι και πήγε στην ποταμιά να βρει κανένα ψαράκι. Τι άλλο.
Πώς που τα τελειώνω εγώ.
Τι άλλο.
Thank God.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia. Σας την έφερα, έτσι. And Ιωάννης, for κόκκινα φεγγάρια. Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Το είπαμε το ποίημα, φεύγουμε τώρα. Αχ, τι καλό που είναι.
Θα το κλείσεις ή θα ποζάρω πολλή ώρα?
Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, motorcycle, rosso.
The tank is in perfect condition.